In today's episode, I really want to show you how to make the Model X dance. I thought it would be a really cool piece. So I'm in a Model X right now, and the first thing you have to do is go over to the T of the Tesla logo, press and hold for 5 seconds, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. Please enter code. Now 2 will work. Either type in holiday or Model Xmas. I'm going to type in Model Xmas. I'm going to click OK. Model Xmas show. So what we have to do is we have to come out of the car now. Let's put the window up all the way. This is exciting stuff. This is exciting stuff. Okay, we're going to stand in front of the car. Now all you have to do is make sure you're a good distance from the car. This is the remote. You press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And the show is about to begin. Oh! We might have to go over the music on this. Look at the lights. It's so loud. It's so loud. Now I believe the doors open at some point. Oh, here they are. Here come the doors. Look at the doors. You can see all the way through. Wow. How epic is this? Model X dance. Oh, it's like an eagle with those wings. Let us know if you like that show by throwing us a like. Comment down below what you think of the car. Get subbed, and I'll see you on the next one.